flowers tonight to the Homecoming Queen will be 2018 Homecoming Queen, Allie Fisher. Welcome home, Allie. Her future plans are to pursue a career in law and government and to travel. The daughter of Mike and Melissa, please welcome. Her future plans include majoring in business while pursuing photography on the side and to travel the world before it's too late. Please welcome the daughter of Sean and Kelly, Marah Crapser. Member of student government. Her future plans are to study at Binghamton University next fall, majoring in anthropology. She's deeply involved in our school's music department, participating in pep band, concert choir, select treble choir, and is MTV's. Her future plans are to go to college, possibly become a lawyer, settle down with the love of her life, and get married. Is a member of the Athletic Leadership Council. Her future plans include attending the University of Scranton in the fall as also a student too. Her future plans are to attend college, become an occupational therapist. She's also a member of the National Honor Society and an Interact Club. Her future plans are to attend four-year college next fall and to live with a swimming and diving team as well as a softball team. She's a member of the National Honor Society, Athletics Leadership Council, and Interact. Ladies and gentlemen, your 2019 Homecoming Queen is Taylor Aubel. Congratulations, Taylor.